My name is Maricela Velasquez, and I am a mother of four in Fresno, California. Our community has been hit very hard by COVID-19, and we as a community have endured a lot of heartbreak. We've lost a lot of families, members, and friends. And even though the virus is a little bit more under control and some vaccines are being administered, there's still fear of getting sick at schools and then bringing it home to our family members. Prior to COVID-19 or the pandemic, I have volunteered in my children's classrooms. And I know that sometimes kids don't listen, right? They put their fingers in their mouth, they're touching everything, touching their eyes. And so it's hard for them sometimes to just listen to instructions. So expecting them to keep their masks on or socially distance or continue to wash their hands is going to be a challenge. And that's a hard ask for them. And it's not going to be easy. But it's also hard for me to trust that schools will be able to keep my children safe. As many times, I don't know in other parts of California, but I know that in my school district, many a times I'm asked to provide simple things as Kleenex, tissue papers, paper towels, Windex, Clorox wipes. We're asked to provide all of this for our kids. So I want to make sure that our school districts are going to do what we need to do in terms of safety measures and making sure that our classrooms are safe so that our kids do not get sick while at school. And then again, bringing that back to our families. And in fact, I do know that many parents do not want to send their children back to in-person learning, but want to remain virtual for that same reason, that we just don't know that safety measures are going to be followed. I feel that things are moving too fast, and that's why I'm keeping a close eye on safety measures and making sure that they are being followed at my school and that everything is going to be done to keep our kids safe and our teachers as well. We need more people vaccinated before fully returning to in-person learning. And we've come too far to let our guard down and to end up where we were just a few weeks ago. This pandemic has not been easy on any of us. I can tell you as a parent of these kids that are doing distance learning and having to learn all of the different platforms that they're using all the different apps, and every school is different, every grade level is different. So it's been challenging for me, especially as a full-time mom. I'm also working from home and having to do my own responsibilities at work and still being able to do that and help my child has been a struggle. But I can tell you that, I have been working with our teachers at that level, and how can I help my child to make sure that they are getting all the information that they need, getting their work done, and making sure they're still at the level that they need to be. And the other thing I'd like to talk about is that we just need to work together as a community, working with our teachers, working with our staff and administrators, and just making sure that these safety measures are being followed.